Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by securing essentials: 3 items, cocoa bean, sugar crystal, and a thermal vial, because those form chocolate's core. Once assembled, move to a crafting node or set up a portable furnace within 50 meters. You need stable heat. Make sure your avatar is level 5 or higher and has at least 50% energy, otherwise crafting will fail or take much longer. Now, initiate the basic combine action and hold the primary craft key for 1 second to start the melting phase. Once melting starts, you must control temperature precisely. Aim for 32 to 34 degrees Celsius using the thermal vial so your texture stays smooth. Stir actively. Every 15 seconds, perform a short clockwise stir. Repeat for 3 cycles to avoid graininess. Add sugar in 3 measured increments, 40%, then 30%, then the final 30%, so the sweetness integrates evenly. Make sure to monitor the heat. If it climbs, pause heating and swirl to redistribute heat. Before continuing, you finish by tempering. Cool the mixture down to about 20 to 22 degrees Celsius, then briefly reheat to around 28 degrees to lock the crystalline structure. This gives a glossy snap. Pour into molds and let them sit for 10 to 15 minutes until firm, then demold gently. If your chocolate becomes grainy or dull, reheat back to 34 degrees, stir thoroughly to redissolve sugar, then repeat the temper cycle. This troubleshooting step often restores smoothness without wasting ingredients.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.